Hi guys, box my just to press doll with me. So here's the bag. I'm gonna take it out. This is how it looks like. I hope I get one. Wow, I can't open it. No, I can't even open it. Okay, let's do a transition. Okay, so it's okay. Wow. Actually. Wow, okay, I need to go off camera. Wow. That's right. I saw them. Oh, I think it's working. I did it! I hope I get okay, this is the series 2, by the way. How are you gonna build it? Oh my goodness. Wait, who is this? Wait, did I got the mirror? Wait. Is this who I think it is? I think I got the
I think
mirror.
there's a VIP pass. There is one.
No, only a code.
Oh, for what?
The face. Okay, oh my goodness. I think I got the... I'm gonna like watch this. I think I got Mermaid Serena. Is this what I think it is? Oh my goodness, wait, bro. I knew it! Bro, she looks so pretty. Bro, even prettier than Lana. Just kidding. Ew! Bro! Nana, can you open? Oh, this is the running. Iconic running. Mermaid Serena? I think her name is Mermaid Serena. Mom, I think her name is Mermaid Serena.
Who do you get? Who is this? You have a tattoo?
I think what do you know her name? I think her name is Mermaid Serena.
Her name is Mystic Mermaid.
Mystic Mermaid. I got Mystic
I
Mermaid.
know it's not a name, but I think it's that one.
Her name is Mystic Mermaid.
It's not a name, I think it's a thing.
No, it's a name. Wow. Okay, small one first. I knew it. This is okay, we're gonna put it on. Her shoes are so cute. Mom, I got Mystic Mermaid.
Eh, di pa pakain yung dalawa. Kumain na ako.
Bro! I love
Sira.
it to go like this.
Wala. It's like this talaga. It's not so.
I have my phone.
Thank you, God.
Po. Wala, pero may activity lang.
Oh. We're gonna
this is
add
cute,
the
oh.
horses. Ano, wait. This one. Yeah, no, the secret is Serena and Lana.
Ah, you get the secret?
I did not, but I got Mystic Mermaid. Ano, this is series 2. The series 1 is color yellow, and the secrets is Lina and Lana in the series 1. Mom, I got Mystic Mermaid. This is the bag. This is here. Oh, I think this is his tail. Where's the top? Oh, what's this?
What's the thing?
Oh my goodness, bro! This feels so good.
Yung latest week, tinanggal ko yung mga
Is
ano.
that your top? Okay, guys, this is the top. This is the top one. Girl, you naked. You naked, girl. Oh, I think you did a good job. Wait, I think I'm gonna...
What's that?
This thing. Wait, I think
Dapat-
I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna remove the shoes. I'm not crazy, you guys.
It's baliktad.
No, I think I don't. No, what am I doing?
Ito, kahit patay kumakain ng baby.
Wait. Oh, so that's like
Nakakain. Ganun lang.
Meron na doon. Gusto ko sa mga
Oh, I did it. Yeah. Okay.
Yung balat niya, yung wali, yung 50. Parang nagkakamang nga, pinabili ko sa mga
Right, I'm gonna break it in this. Okay. Brother looks ugly. Dad, I got Mystic Mermaid.
Mystic Mermaid Serena.
I thought that was the name.
The hair. But the hair is not the same. Can I see the face? Oh, it looks like ano talaga, just impress. The ano, the crown.
Oh,
Like that. But I think it's wrong.
look, oh. Okay, now we're gonna add her.
No, this one. She went bald.
Bro went bald. Ooh. What am I doing? What am I
Like
doing?
this.
Bro went bald.
Or like this, Bess.
What's up with this fella?
Like this.
Oh,
Or
yeah.
like that.
Maybe it's like that. Ano ba yan siya, girl?
Magpunta siya, wala makaluto eh.
Ayan. Bold si girl. Girl,
Oh, you need to scratch this. Baka it's a VIP.
No.
It's a VIP pass. If there's a VIP, I'm gonna get it.
No, it's a, I don't know, it's under sleeve.
Hindi na naayos.
Oh my
Will you
goodness,
show them
it has a stand. Yeah, I already showed. It has a stand, you guys. Bro, bro isn't a real mermaid. Bro isn't a real mermaid. I don't know how to. Bro isn't a real mermaid. Scrub. Oh. You're scratching off with my nails?
No, scratch it that one. Use that. Just
Here,
that.
I'm gonna use this, guys. Oh, it's working. Bro is just wearing a wig.
I think it's supposed to go like this.
Bibilis mo muna doon, mamaya tayo yung pagkakain mo ha.
You made it, okay? 느낌있게. 와우. 맛있는 거 이제
Wala na kang sila dito.
So you guys, this is the code.
Don't shoot it. Baka they use it.
It's okay. This is the code, you guys. Oh, you cannot see it. The code is
Don't. You're gonna steal it.
it's okay. I don't play with blocks naman.
Lumabas kami mamaya, bibili kami ng ulam mo.
What? You don't even play Dress to Impress anymore.
I will download.
Download Dress to Impress is on Roblox. How can you download it if it's on a
What's
different
ano ba? What's this? It's like ano lang, like a dress.
a face? Oh,
A face lang.
ano? Nana, I think it's like this. I think it's the other way around, bro.
But kasi it's...
Bro isn't a real mermaid. How are you a mermaid? How are you a mermaid if your tail keeps slipping? It should be attaching you, girl. At the girl. Oh my goodness. Okay, how do... Okay, where's this?
Try to
Where's the
get...
stand? Where's the stand?
Hala, what's this?
My cousin doesn't want me to tell the code because she wants it.
Because mamaya we're gonna get it.
How do I like this? Like this? Bro. Can I tell them the code?
Sige, you tell them. It's ano lang naman pala. It's like, ano, a face. I thought it's like a...
The code is 6ZYKYNEZTMCACN.
Gusto mo din?
No, it's not like that. It's not like that.
It doesn't have any ano.
Let's not even.
Oh, here.
Oh. Bro, we done. The Ate girl is not a real mermaid. Ate girl, you're not a real mermaid. Okay, this is how she looks like, you guys. I'm sorry how. For that. And this is her skirt. the code, you guys. Can you see it, you guys? Bro, you can't even see it. Bro, it's not a real code.
맛있지 않아?
Ate girl, hindi ikaw mermaid.
나 해먹.
I cannot, best.
Baka you put the Dan first, Nani.
Ah, it's like, no, the stand is for this, best.
Oh, it's not like that, Nani. Ano ba yan? Nautot si ate girl.
Why it's kasha?
Ano ba yan? Boom. 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 Let's not understand. I love how she She looks so fabulous, you guys, bro. She is definitely Lansmida. Look, oh, I made her stand. Look.
해먹게. 가만히 있어봐. 뭐야? 여기. 조명. 안 돼!
I don't get it. There's no instruction.
This one.
Ay, sila.
Ala, ate girl. Let's see. Ang ingay naman. Oh! Ate girl is laying the runway.
Rich overnight.
Yeah. We're gonna play a little with my foil kite. This is what I got in the previous one. This is the Royal High one. And this is the Jastiram Press. Oh my goodness, 10 times taller. 10 times taller. Bigger, smaller. Hey, where are you from? You're from Jastiram Press. Yeah, and where are you dummy from? Where are you dummy? Let's see if we can slay the runway.
나 언니 캐리 못해.
Showing my cards. You don't have cards, loser. And I have a code. At least you don't have leg warmer. Oh my goodness. At least I have stand. Nah. I think this is the stand for the car. Like this one. Not pala.
Let me check. Or it's like this kasi.
I don't know how.
I cannot.
Okay, this is the
우리 바베큐 먹자.
Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you